Homeschool moms, if you've been searching for a math supplement that actually helps your first grader understand concepts instead of memorizing them, you're going to love this flip through. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Spectrum Hands-On First Grade Math Workbook, and this little book packs a surprising punch. And if you want math to feel more engaging, more visual, and way less stressful, stick with me. You're going to want to see every page. This is designed as a supplement workbook, which means that it's perfect for filling in gaps, reinforcing tricky concepts, and adding hands-on practice to your existing math routine. It covers core first grade skills, adding, subtraction, place value, measurements, shapes, and early problem solving using short interactive activities that feel approachable for young learners. As we flip through, you'll notice the pages are clean, simple, and kid-friendly. Spectrum includes cut and paste tasks, matching activities, visual models, and manipulative style exercises that help kids see the math. Instead of long worksheets, each page focuses on one clear skill, which keeps your child from feeling overwhelmed and helps build confidence. If you're juggling multiple grades or just need something your first grader can do more independently, this workbook is a lifesaver. The instructions are short and clear, and the activities are meaningful, and the hands-on elements make math feel fun instead of repetitive. It's also great for morning baskets, quiet time, or days when you need a lighter, low-prep math option. I can say that this is one of the easiest supplements to plug into any curriculum. It reinforces what you're already teaching without adding busy work. The hands-on pages are the standout. They help kids understand math concepts in a concrete way, which is especially helpful for visual and tactile learners. This is perfect for new homeschoolers, family using a mastery or spiral curriculum, or anyone who wants extra practice without extra prep. If your child benefits from using visual models, manipulatives, or short focused tasks, this workbook will fit right into your routine. Before purchasing your homeschool curriculum for the year, I always recommend checking them out at places like Barnes & Noble to physically see the workbooks, and then go shop on the discounted websites like eBay, Thrifted Books, and Amazon. And I just want to add that along with this Spectrum hands-on workbook, I will be using Go Math with my first grader this year. I absolutely love Go Math. I've used it with all my kids, and it is one of my just diehard favorites. If you enjoyed this flip through and want more homeschool reviews, planning tips, and curriculum walkthroughs, hit the like button and subscribe. And tell me in the comments what math curriculum you're using this year. I'd love to hear from you. So have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.